For today's lesson, we will be discussing about transcendental function and limit of exponential function.
Transcendental function is a function that cannot be expressed as a sum, difference, product, or a quotient of algebraic expression.
The term transcendental means that the function is not algebraic.
We have three transcendental functions. We have the exponential function, logarithmic function, and also trigonometric function. So we will be discussing how to identify the limit of exponential function.
For any a which is element of real number, the limit of e raised to x as the x approaches a is just equal to e raised to a. And if b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1, then the limit of b of x as the x approaches a is also equal to b raised to a. This means that we can just do direct substitution as long as the condition here are satisfied.
Example number 1. Find the limit of 3 raised to x where x approaches to 4. By substitution, x will become 4. So 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4, that is equivalent to 81. So the limit of 3 raised to x when x approaches to 4 is equal to 81.
So, example number 2. Limit of 3 raised to the power of x plus 1 to be added with 5 as the x approaches to 0. So first, let's substitute x with 0. So we came up with 3 raised to the power of 0 plus 1, which is just 3. Then we added to 5, which gives us our final answer, 8. So limit of 3 raised to the power of x plus 1 to be added with 5 as the x approaches to 0 is equal to 8.
So last example is the limit of 5 raised to 2x minus 1 when x approaches to 2 is equal to 5 raised to 2 times 2 minus 1, x become 2. Then simplify the exponent 2 times 2, that is 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 5 raised to 3, that is equivalent to 125. So the limit of 5 raised to 2x minus 1 where x approaches to 2 is equal to 125.
So that is the introduction of transcendental function
And limit of exponential function.